Alright, so in today's video we are going to be making the second of two of these. So we need two of these to make my tool case holder here, and I got some rebar and we're going to cut that down to size. But what I did is I just printed off the same one I did for this one, but I flipped it. And I used the print to size app. It was like $2.99 for the app, and it does all this stuff for me, and it lets me size and crop images off the internet. So what I'm going to do now is just put this off so it won't get ruined and just spray it. And I want to come up just a hair because I want it to be the same height as this, which is pretty close. We can size it down. All right, so now I'm going to take this over to the bandsaw and trim off all the areas that we don't want. So now I just want to kind of make sure I'm doing everything the same, so I'm going to mark X's where everything gets cut out. All right, today we're using a blade I got from Lowe's. I don't know what size it is, which is not a very good thing for a video demonstration. But what I'm trying to say is it doesn't require anything special. So go ahead and just get a blade that will fit the hole that you're gonna make and go ahead and scroll saw. All right, so I finished with that on the scroll saw and the bandsaw, and you can see I used the drill to drill that out, and these drilled out holes. I am not a carver. This is my second job carving thing, so I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna kind of show you a little bit of me carving a little bit, and then probably skip forward and just take pictures throughout the thing, because you don't want to see me carving because I don't know what I'm doing. But let's go ahead and get started. So and this one I used, I think, is cypress wood, and this one here I think is like a red oak or a white oak, maybe, or I'm not sure. Maybe even, I'm not sure what it is. Hopefully we'll find out by the end of it. So I didn't have another piece of this, and I wanted to try the difference between softwood and hardwood. This is a more softer wood, and this is definitely a harder wood, so let's get into it. Whew, I'm nervous. All right, so here I printed out two of these because one of them wouldn't make it all the way across the wood. I've seen this on one of the carving videos. I want to give credit to him, so I'll try to find it and put a link in the description below. But then I just line that up like so, and there we go. And this will be the back of the box.
Just like the instrumentals. Damn.
Alright, so for here, I put this rod here and then I folded the one over on each one of these ones and pulled it behind here to tighten that up. And now what I want to do is punch these ones and do maybe a rounded top on it. I'm not sure what I want to do with. I got these cool, rivets, and I'm going to put those in there, so we'll go ahead and we're going to punch some holes on each one of these ones. All right, so I'm not using the right tool for the job. I'm using a chisel on this, so hopefully I can make two different groups of people mad, the chisel people and the leather people.